Mga idol, for today's video, magluto tao garlic butter shrimp. Okay, so natay panakot. And shout out to Magita News Negrosanon and to all my followers and subscribers. Let's do the cooking. Miko sila mga idol. Toyo. Sige, buhos mo. Sige pa, oh. Nadagdanan. Mamacita's oyster sauce. Rawin. Mikos. So, may itong finished product, garlic butter shrimp.